welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So the other day on Instagram I asked for ideas for videos you would like to see over the coming months, and I said that I was thinking about filming a city breaks outfit ideas video, and I asked if that was something you'd like to see, and it was a resounding yes. So that is the topic for today's video. I'm not going away, but I'm going to London in a couple of days with my friend for the weekend. So some of these outfits I will be packing and taking with me. But the whole idea around the video is basically packing light and pieces that you can fit into hand luggage if you're just going away for like a long weekend or a weekend trip. So I'm going to start off with what I am wearing, and I'd say this is my usual kind of go-to travel outfit. If I am going on a long haul flight, then I always go for like a super comfy outfit, either a loungewear set or like leggings and a hoodie, something like that. But if I'm going short haul or just for a city break, then I like to go comfortable, but I still want to be wearing pieces that I'm going to be able to get the use out of once I actually get to like the destination. So this outfit is exactly that. I've just got on some black wide leg trousers from Suzanne. These are old, but I found some good alternatives which I will leave linked. And then I've gone for my Massimo Dutti striped t-shirt. Again, this is old, but I wear this so much. It was in my spring capsule wardrobe last year, and I honestly just wore it so much throughout spring. So I'll definitely leave something similar linked to this because I feel like it's a piece that everyone needs in their wardrobe. And then I've gone for a camel coat. This is actually a new addition to my wardrobe from Zara. I really felt like I was missing a classic camel coat in my wardrobe, and I have already worn this so much since getting it a couple of weeks ago. I would say if you are going away maybe in April or May, then you could swap a wool coat out for a trench coat, and it would work in exactly the same way and go with all the same outfits. I'd say all the outfits in this video definitely have more of a transitional and spring feel to them rather than being winter outfits, because to be honest, I'm just over winter fashion now, so I'm definitely looking forward to some better weather. And I feel like it goes without saying, but when you are traveling, you definitely want to wear all your heavier pieces. You can potentially even layer up further with like a blazer underneath this. But yeah, that's the way you're going to get the most out of the space in your suitcase. And then if you are thinking about packing light and are only taking hand luggage, then my biggest piece of advice would be to take pieces that you're able to really easily transition from day into night. So I've got the same pair of black trousers on, but I've just swapped out the t-shirt for a bodysuit. And I love pieces like this to take for city breaks because you can really easily scrunch them up in your case and they don't really weigh anything, so you can definitely take a few and have a few different options to wear. So this one is one of my favourite bodysuits from Riona. They do the most amazing basics, and yeah, they're just really flattering. So this will be one of my go-to evening outfits. I've just swapped out the trainers from the last look for a pair of heels. These are actually new from June, and they're just the perfect black pointed toe slingbacks. I just think they're a really great classic shoe, and they go with every single evening outfit, so they are a really great one to pack with you for a city break. And then my bag is my shoulder bag from Charles & Keith, which I use all the time at the minute. It's a really great size for like all the essentials. It's got a zip, so it's nice and secure, and yeah, I just feel like it's a really good one to transition you from day to night. And then final look with the black trousers, but I also wanted to show you another way you can style them for a more like smart casual feel. Now this look I feel like would be perfect for the daytime, but I also think it would work really nicely as a slightly more casual evening look too. So I feel like this would be a good outfit to see you right through from day to night. Like if you don't have time to go back to your hotel to get changed for the evening, then this would be the kind of look I would go for. So obviously if you're just taking hand luggage, it is unlikely that you're going to be able to take more than one coat. But I do feel like it's nice to have a second jacket option, just to switch up the outfits a little bit. So I have gone for this like tweed style boucle jacket from Massimo Dutti. I feel like this has a really different vibe to the Zara camel coat, and yeah, I just love it so much. It's a classic like tweed jacket style. These are everywhere at the minute, so if this one is out of stock, then I will leave some good alternatives linked. But yeah, it's just got the gold button detailing, really cute little pockets, and it's just a really easy one to smarten up any like casual look. Just adding this over the top, I feel, gives such a like Parisian vibe to any outfit, and yeah, I just feel like it's the perfect jacket for spring. And then underneath, obviously, I've just got on the black trousers. I've gone back to my trainers, and then I've just got on a simple basic from Because of Alice. This is just like a tight fitting t-shirt bodysuit, really easy to pair underneath things, and obviously not very bulky. Okay, so next up we have a double denim moment, which definitely won't be for everyone, but I am really loving this trend at the minute. I feel like it would work so perfectly for a city break outfit, especially if you're going somewhere really cool like New York or like Copenhagen, somewhere like that. This would be such a cool outfit. So they are completely matching. They are both from COS. I feel like the shirt is definitely an optional extra. If you don't have space in your suitcase, then I feel like this is something you could probably leave behind. But if you do have the room, then I would definitely recommend. Again, I've just got on the same white bodysuit, and honestly, these jeans are some of the comfiest I have ever tried. They are such a great fit. They've got a little bit of elastane in there as well, I think maybe like 1%. So they're just really comfy, and they fit perfectly around my waist. They're also a really nice straight leg, the perfect ankle length on me, and I am 5'2". But I do also think if you are taller, then they would be a really cool like slightly cropped jean, which I think would look really nice as well. Again, I've just gone for some trainers for a daytime look, but I do think you could really easily dress this one up for the evening. You could either wear it just like this with the June heels I showed you before. I feel like that would look so nice. Or you could do up the shirt and maybe do like a half tuck. I feel like that could look really cool as well. And again, I feel like the shoulder bag works really nicely for like an off-duty model style vibe. And then to style the jeans up for the evening, I've gone for another quite Parisian inspired outfit. This is a silk shirt from Lily Silk. I love the tone of this one because it's quite a warm toned cream, so I feel like it works perfectly with this slightly brighter mid-wash denim. And again, a silk shirt you can literally scrunch up into nothing inside your case. You'll definitely need to borrow an iron once you get to the hotel, so that's something to bear in mind. But I feel like it makes the perfect evening top option. So yeah, again, with the blue jeans, I've just added a belt and then my June slingbacks. And again, with the same shoulder bag. You could definitely just chuck on the camel coat over the top and you are good to go. And then for the final jeans look, I've gone for a super simple and classic outfit. I love wearing camel tones with blue denim. I feel like it is such a chic combination and just works really well together. So I've got the same coat on and then a white t-shirt from Novo London. This one is a classic oversized style compared to the tighter fitting bodysuit. So if you can take more than one t-shirt with you, then I probably would, because, well, me personally, the chances of me spilling something down myself are pretty high. And then I've gone for loafers with this look. I personally find loafers to be so comfortable, and I find them almost as comfy as trainers. It's probably because I wear them so often that I have fully broken them in. But yeah, I think I would probably take a pair of loafers as a second shoe option for the daytime. I just feel like they give a slightly dressier, slightly smarter feel to an outfit. So if you are going away for a longer weekend or like a few nights, then I think it would probably be a good idea to take a second pair of trousers as another option. These ones are my classic H&M ankle length trousers. I have these in about 4 or 5 different colours. I have definitely spoken about them multiple times, but they are $19.99 and just one of my favourite styles of trousers. They're like a relaxed straight leg, ankle length like I said, and yeah, I just feel like they work with so many different styles of footwear. I've just got them on with my loafers, but I think the trainers or even the heels would work really well with this look. I feel like this is very similar to the outfit with the black trousers and the Massimo Duty jacket I showed you earlier, but this time I've just gone for the more oversized t-shirt. And yeah, I just feel like, again, it's just another really simple and easy to put together daytime look. Just to quickly show you how I would dress the grey trousers up for an evening look. I personally love a tonal look so much. So I've gone for the Riona grey bodysuit, and these tones of grey are really, really similar, so they work really nicely together. Again, I have got on my Celine belt, which I just feel like is doing the most at the minute. I literally wear it with near enough every outfit. So yeah, the cost per wear on this must be really low already. Again, the same slingbacks, they just work perfectly with everything. And then my camel coat for a really nice contrast. Again, I just love these tones together, and I feel like this one is a good like transitional outfit, maybe for this time of year or if you're going away in like March time. And then finally, I just wanted to throw in one complete wild card. Obviously this video has been very much a mix and match outfit situation, but when I go away on a city break, I normally like to do one like dressy evening out. So for that, I normally go for a midi dress. I love a midi dress so much, and especially a knitted one. This one is actually going to be my birthday dress. It is my birthday on Friday, which is the day I'm going to London. So this is what I am going to wear in the evening, and I just thought I'd show it you in case any of you have a special occasion coming up that you need a really nice dress for. So this is from a brand called Galvan, but I got it via the Outnet. It was pricier, but I paid less than half price on this, and it is just such beautiful quality. It is such a thick ribbed knit. I love this neckline. I find it so flattering, and then it's got the most beautiful low back. So yeah, I'm just obsessed with this dress. I feel like it would be perfect for a city break, especially if you're going somewhere like Paris. And yeah, like I said, I personally love to do one really dressy outfit when I go away. But yeah, those are all the outfits in today's video. Hopefully this was useful, and I really hope it wasn't too repetitive. Obviously, I just wanted to stick to minimal classic pieces and show you a few ways you can style them for daytime, and then how you can transition them into the evening as well. So yeah, I really hope you found it useful. Let me know if any of you are going away anytime in the next couple of months, and let me know where you're going, because I'd love to live vicariously through you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and hopefully I will see you for my next video. Bye!